Hi everyone. First open the project, click new and Qt widgets, select Qt widgets, and also here they are asking project location. Now we are at give project name and browse here wherever you are store this project or save this project. And now I am default location I am chosen. Now next, then here the main we are selecting main window only, and languages more languages is there, but we don't want to any other languages. That is the here we are using none. And in this one we are compiling here. In this compiler already we are installed mig 64 bits mig w, and I'm selecting mig w and next. This is our Qt interface. Now we are learn about this. A QLabel is a simple widget used to display static text and images. We are control how the text looks. Now we are selecting one label. This is the label, first label. In this label, we are giving object name, and here some font styles and font size, and these all are we are selecting bold or unbold. If you bold, then check, otherwise uncheck. And more settings is there, means everything. Now we are save this one. Actually save is control plus S, and build is control plus B, and run is control plus R. Now we are using UI to label to set text. Actually set text is a now to set the text inside the label, we use the set text function to display the text inside the label. Now we are building and execute this one. This is the my first label. This is the display the text inside the label. And more functions is available in these labels. The text alignment. In this text alignment, most probably to position our text inside the label, we can use the set alignment function to allow us to align text to left, right, center, or evenly virtual vertically. Now we are setting the some basic styles. In this one style sheet we are select the style sheets, and here in drop down button we are selecting colors, and these colors we are selecting anyone. You can select and OK, and simultaneously background color also. We select a background color and font size and font styles, bold or italic or font size. Each and every pattern we are select in this section. Now see here, uh, we are applying these styles in our label. Okay, now see here, this is the alignment for horizontal alignment. This is the horizontal center. Actually, the in this one we are selecting some font. We are another font we are selecting here. Choose anyone. Choose any one of these font sizes and font styles as your wish. Now see here, some font size is small. Just I'm going to style sheet. Here font size is 8. Now we are going to style sheets. In this style sheet, actually we are applying here font is 8. Again we are making the 15 pixels. Then OK. And now it is OK. Now the label is visible. Now see here, this is a horizontal center. Now we are give only center, align center. And build it, and control R to execute this program. See here, this is a complete totally middle, the totally center. Uh, the difference between horizontal center and another one is center. Okay, next function is here we are using tooltips. Here set tooltips means something we want to show the extra information when the user hovers over the label. We use set tooltip functions Now see here, alignment is left alignment here. Again we use the right alignment. See here the right alignment. This alignment flags is there, means align left, right, and center, justify, absolute, horizontal, mask. These all are that flags, alignment flags. And now we are using text. Finally, if ever need to get the text that currently inside the label, we can use the text function. And here printing the print the statement, we are using QDebug. Now label data is string. We assign the string here. Next one is the end line. Now we are compiling and execute this one. Now see here the label what we are shown in inside the label. We are getting that label data. This is my first label. Okay, thank you for watching this video.